Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Samsung 5.1 channel soundbar with wireless subwoofer, HWQ65C/ZA, and why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because it consists of the following features. Q-Symphony. Amp up your audio with the greatest duo of all time Samsung TVs paired with Samsung soundbars. With Q-Symphony, your TV speakers paired with Q-Series soundbars operate as one 5.1 channel Dolby Atmos sound. Experience captivating sound and hear more during your favorite shows, songs, and movies with 5.1 channel Dolby Atmos sound. Rear speaker kit included. Complete the all-around audio experience with our included rear speaker kit that helps boost the sound from your TV HDMI eARC. This single HDMI cable connection passes advanced audio like Dolby Atmos from your TV to your soundbar. One cable is all you need for a high-quality connection that won't degrade your sound. Requires an HDMI eARC-compatible TV. Game mode. Optimize your gaming experience with perfectly synced directional audio that moves with the on-screen action. Game mode eliminates distractions so you can hear better and play harder. So next time the game is on the line, you'll have a leg up on the competition. Compatible with Gaming Hub and select gaming consoles. Gaming Hub requires a compatible TV and subscription. Please refer to Samsung.com for more information. Bluetooth multi-connection. Easily connect two smart devices simultaneously to share control of the soundbar without having to disconnect every time. Conveniently play your favorite music from different devices. Soundbar mobile connection is not available when connected to the TV. Requires Bluetooth-compatible devices. Adaptive sound light. Enjoy dynamically optimized audio with enhanced voice clarity so you can follow along with action-packed games and blockbuster films. Scenes are analyzed in real time to amplify the most important audio based on the type of content. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.